We'll guide you through how to find the Wi-Fi password on a Windows PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer, and so you want to go and find your Wi-Fi password for whatever reason. You can do this in Windows 11 or 10, it doesn't matter. It's really convenient to go and have it because then you can go and connect other devices to the Wi-Fi network, and perhaps you can't currently find the password physically. Maybe you've lost a little card that came with the router, and so you want to go and find it on your computer. We're going to guide you through this, and then you can go and connect maybe your phone or somebody else's computer to it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. There are different ways you can do this, so watch this full guide and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. So you can see I'm currently connected down below to the GR network. So what we need to do is we need to go and press search at the bottom, and then what you need to do is go and type in command prompt, as you can see. Now this is going to open up. It's important to know if we go and open it up, just normally this is going to be incorrect. When you go and open it up, before you open it up, even when searching for it, right click on it and you need to press run as administrator. You'll go and get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to, and it'll then go and open up, and as you can see, here we are. I'm going to go and tell you exactly what you need to go and type in. So you need to go and type in net, N-E-T-S-H space W-L-A-N space show, S-H-O-W space profiles, P-R-O-F-I-L-E-S. Press enter. Now you're going to go and see the different networks you've gone and joined in your computer. You need to go and decide the one you're trying to go and get the password for. So in this case, I want to do it for GR, as you can see. So then what we need to do is go and type in N-E-T-S-H space W-L-A-N space show, S-H-O-W space profile, P-R-O-F-I-L-E space name, N-A-M-E space equals space. Go and put in speech marks, as you can see, and then you need to go and type in the all user profile name. So this is GR, so I'll type that in. Make sure you do it exactly how it appears, and then do speech marks again. Then go and put in another space, and you need to go and type in key equals clear. The key is going to go and be the password, and making it clear means making it visible. So then what you can do is you can go and press enter like so. And it's going to go and give us these different results. You need to go down and find key content, and that is going to be the password there. I'm going to go and hide it just for security reasons, but you can then go and see it and you can go and note it down. Now, the next way you may go and find easier if you don't like using command prompt, but I really like this direct way, and I like it as well because you can go and see the passwords for different networks, even if you're not currently connected as well, which is really useful because you may not be connected to the network you want it for whatever reason. This next way, you do need to go and be connected to the network you're getting the password for, but still we'll guide you through it step by step. So we need to go and open up the control panel. So you can press search at the bottom and type it in, control panel. When you see it here, you can then go and click on it and it's going to go and open up like so. Now, when you're in here, you need to go and find the option for network and internet. You need to go and click on it like this. When this goes and opens up, you then need to go and find network and sharing center, and it'll go and bring you here. Now you'll go and see the current network you're connected to. As you can see, it's mine is to GR, as I showed you earlier. What you then want to do is go and find connections over to the right, and you can go and see Wi-Fi GR. You want to go and click on it. Now this is going to go and open up here, and you can go and see some different info about it. But what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for wireless properties. And in wireless properties, we're going to be able to go and see the password. So what you want to do is go and click there like so, and then you can go to the top and press security. You can come down to network security key. So you're going to go and find that the password is often referenced to as the key when it comes to it. And then to go and reveal it, you can press on the tick box, show characters. And that will then go and give you the Wi-Fi password and key there. And then what you can do is go and note it down or go and enter it in on the device you're trying to. And that's it. You've now successfully gone and found it in 2 different ways. So one of these ways should go and work for you. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you'll go and find one useful. And if you've got any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos.